Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gears and Glitter. Today we're going to be talking about Import Shark. So I do not want to talk bad about them because I don't think they've done anything bad in this case. It's not another roast video like, I almost said the name of the place. The place that plastied up my car. I'm going to start driving now, so if y'all start moving, that's why. Import Shark, let me tell you a little bit about what they do. It's called Import Shark. They have, that's where I got my rear diffuser from, so that's kind of where we're going with this. But they have other things. They have, I don't know, like floor mats, short shifters. They have performance-based things, not just exterior modifications. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know about my experience with them and my diffuser. I ordered the MyRides single exit diffuser. I'll show you a picture of my car's booty here. And right now it looks great, but when I ordered it, okay, first of all, the price of it I think is around $500. I think it's like $450. That does include shipping, so thank God. I looked on, I think it was GC Tuner, because Gen Racer doesn't even have this one on there. So yeah, they're the only place that kind of had it for free shipping, considering it's a $500 purchase anyways. For half of a freaking bumper, when most bumpers are like that price. So I debated whether or not I should get a full bumper or my actual diffuser, and I chose a diffuser. Alright, well, I'm just gonna do my video here with my neighbor out in the yard still. So yeah, Import Shark, they have like body panels, basically like body mods, like carbon fiber hoods, front splitters, rear diffusers, side skirts, I mean anything. They even have performance mods too. They have like floor mats, they have everything. But yeah, I ordered my diffuser from them. It took about 3 months to get here, which was fine, but I kept posting it on Instagram, talking about, oh, can't wait for it to show up, blah, 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 blah. And I actually had people inbox me and tell me that, oh yeah, well, you're gonna wait 3 months and get it. It's gonna be messed up, and you're gonna have to send it back and wait another 3 months to get another one. And I was like, that ain't about to happen. The only thing is, when it finally got here, and this may not have been their fault, but the packaging was not very good. It did come in a giant box. It was kind of flimsy. It wasn't like a new box where it's like stiff and will protect it if something's dropped on it, you know, where it's like sturdy enough to protect it. It was in kind of like almost as if it's one you would leave out in the rain. I actually think it's still. So there it is. Right there. It's the one on the left. So that's after it's been opened. So you can kind of see how it was just kind of stapled together. It wasn't like a new box used for shipping, which that wouldn't have been a problem. I don't really care about that, but it's the condition of the diffuser and the $500 product that I ordered. So anyways, yeah, you guys saw the box. Whatever, I didn't really care about that. I was like, I'm just happy it's freaking here. Then, and it came when my boyfriend was home, and I guess one side of a box was already open, and yeah. So I wasn't really too concerned about that either. I was like, okay, who cares? I mean, it's here. He took it back out of the box, and it was in like this, it was like a, I think what it's called. It's almost like a clear plasticky kind of wrap, but it wasn't like a cling wrap type that they wrap up products with. It was like a plastic bag, like a giant plastic bag for packing, and just on the ends of the diffuser there were pieces of styrofoam to keep it from like moving around, but nothing else over it. So there was like a bag to prevent from scratches, but there wasn't actual padding on the sides and it was kind of a crappy box, so I'm sure it got tossed around at UPS. Well, I got it and it was cracked, and I'm pretty sure I have pictures that I'm gonna put in here. He was like, oh, let's send it back, and I was like, hell no, I'm not waiting another 3 months for this shit. I paid $500 for it. So I'll let Garrity call, because because when I'm mad, I don't like talking to people. I prevent myself from saying something that I'm gonna regret. So that's why I just stay quiet, because I will roast somebody if I start talking to them. So I was like, okay, you do it, because you do this all the time and you know how to get some sort of refund so that we can at least fix it and not have to go over already spending $500. So they did give us a few dollars off. I think it was like $50 actually. I don't remember. I think it was like $50 off, which is fine. That's enough to fix it. My other complaint is that it didn't come with any hardware, and they didn't come with any directions. So, and then we looked up on the forums and they said, oh, it takes 3 screws or whatever, and it definitely didn't. It took like 5. So here is going to be the end result of what, okay, excuse you, of what it looks like. So you can see the hardware here that we had to use. So luckily it does look clean. But yeah, here's all the hardware. This is what it looks like. But I have the ISR single exit exhaust. So as you can see here, we didn't have to cut it. You can't even really tell. Cookie, get your head out of here. We did have to cut it so that this would fit. So it's not going to fit everything perfect, every single exit perfectly. But, you know, you kind of have to jerry-rig almost everything for the Genesis coupe. So yeah, the end result is definitely attainable, but they don't supply you with any of the hardware, no directions on how to install it, or you can't find anywhere the size that it actually fits. And the Gen Coupes forums, it was no help whatsoever, and everyone's like, oh, raid, and you literally can't find anything. It takes an eternity. So that is why I'm here. This is why I'm doing videos, is because I hate the forums, because anytime you ask a question, you get a BS response, or people have no patience, and it's all stuff from like 2011. Obviously there's more crap going on now with the cars. So that is why I'm here, but that's my experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just pacing around in circles. I will leave a link to Import Shark below so that you can actually go shopping and visit their website. They have a lot of great stuff there, but just be wary that my packaging this time was not that great. If you have any special requests, obviously put them in the special requests or the comment section when you do order something, especially with packaging. Maybe request more padding. That really shouldn't be something that you have to request, but just learn from my experience. I always say I am the guinea pig. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and visit my Instagram to keep updated with what's going on. And I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll see you next time.